Good morning, children. I'm Pallavi. In previous lesson, we talked about General Assembly, Security Council, Economic and Social Council. So, in this topic, we are going to talk about the other organs of United Nations. First of all, let's discuss the Trusteeship Council. The Trusteeship Council had come to be called the protector of dependent people, which means that this council was created to look after the affairs of the countries that were at one time not independent. The another organ of United Nations is the International Court of Justice. The International Court of Justice hears complaints from member nations in case of violation of international law. The International Court of Justice is located at The Hague in Netherlands. The last main body or organ of United Nations is the Secretariat. Secretariat is an important organ of the United Nations, which is responsible for the day-to-day working of this organization. The Secretary General is the head of the Secretariat. He is assisted by 100 other officers. He is elected by the General Assembly. Moreover, the Secretary General is in charge of the whole of the United Nations, and his job is very important one. The present Secretary General of United Nations is Mr. Antonio Guterres. He is from Portugal. He became the Secretary General of United Nations in January 2017. Initially, he had worked as the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees between 2005 and 2015. Now, let's discuss some of the major achievements of the United Nations. The United Nations made a strong effort in stopping the war in Korea, Vietnam, Palestine, Iran, Iraq, Afghanistan, Kuwait, Israel, and Lebanon. It has succeeded in preventing the use of atomic, nuclear, and other destructive weapons. The United Nations has motivated the countries to remove poverty, illiteracy, ignorance, and disease from the earth. Now let's recall what we had discussed today. Trusteeship Council was created to look after the affairs of the dependent countries. International Court of Justice hears the complaints from member nations in case of violation of international law. Secretariat is responsible for the day-to-day working of United Nations. Secretary General, the head of Secretariat, is elected by General Assembly. Mr. Antonio Guterres is the Secretary General of United Nations. UN has succeeded in preventing the use of atomic and other nuclear weapons.